Alright, people, you know it is starlet GT Turbo EP 82, you know it is. Right now, you just gonna right now actually go and fix my treader for my seats. Actually, take all these seats already, you know. So I want to deal with basically these seats, and them are easy to come out. The track and them easy to come out because they just take on the 4 bolts on them. Psh, psh, psh. You take all them 4 bolts on them, same for the other side, they good to go. Right now, my seat belt was mashed up, and I'm actually using a substitute right now. So that's what I'm looking to hook up my system. Actually, get this one from my house. Yeah, someone saying. So let's see if I get it good. So I believe it's the original one. I don't know if it's the original one, but I think it's the original one. Yeah, it's actually I believe it's the original one. So yeah, someone saying that I'm one of it. So yeah, so far that's actually working pretty good. It's actually clicking in and everything. So, but by running this one is gonna be double. So might just see if I could just hook up this here and the passing. Right, and the passenger will be using the same thing as well. So passenger will use one and the driver use one. So yeah, that got to work for the time. Could leave that also now. And I decide to modify it in the future. So if you guys like my video, you guys can comment, like, subscribe, and all this. I do not need on the starlet as yet, you know. But this is a little upgrade, so